easy breezy summer design. So here we go. I'm going to take some greenery. I'm going to start with lemon leaf. I've used one of these footed containers that are very popular right now. I'm going to set a basis, a groundwork of lemon leaf all around the lower deck, upper deck penthouse from my classroom. If you want to learn more, you come to school, flowerschool101.com, or take the ultimate online floral class on my website. But it's all as easy as this. I have a unique way of teaching flower design. I call it the Da Vinci Code of flower design. Nobody else does it. And my students blow my mind. See what I did? Ring around the collar. So then, I'm going to set the height of my design. 1, 2, how tall do I want the centerpiece to be? 3, width, height. I'm building a building. My job is like architecture. Now I'm going to do the center zone. A little bit around there. Middle, upper, lower. I did the lower, the penthouse, and now I'm doing the middle deck. So I'm going to grab another type of green. Eucalyptus, Italian yucca, I think it's called. And now I'm going to add some of that. I'm going to mix it up. Toss that salad, I call it. Some in the penthouse, right up there. Some in the lower deck, right down there. Some in the upper deck, right in here. So I'm going to put some Italian yew all around the house. Look how pretty. See, lower deck, right there. It's going beyond the valley of the lemon leaf. So we're extending outwards as we go. That's how things grow. Most of your job as a designer is emulating the way things grow. And you'll be fine. Here comes a piece in the upper deck. Grevillea, one of my favorites. Grevillea. It's in my book, Paris. I use lots of grevillea in that book. So again, some in the penthouse. Penthouse is that area, general area on top. Doesn't have to be right on top. Some in the lower deck. Now look, I'm expanding even beyond that eucalyptus. Like that, going all the way around. Ooh, some rich, full brown magnolia. You love that. I'm going to put a little magnolia in there. Ooh, that's good. We love our magnolias. It's a very guy kind of thing. Brown, looks like leather. Leather leaves. Seeded eucalyptus berries. I'm going to give you a close-up so you know what they are. Drop some seeded euc in there, nothing prettier. Like that, and like that. Now I'm turning like a wild painter. Like that. Use it up. Pretty, like that. Now, so you have your bases of greens. By the way, you can do these on Monday for a Saturday wedding. These greens will last you a long time. All you do is put it in a cool room. You don't have to have a cooler. You need an air-conditioned room to set this in. Beautiful. Now, because you've done such beautiful greenery, you don't have to fill this whole thing with flowers for your wedding at the Napa Valley. Watch carefully. Hovering right on top of those greens goes a few hydrangeas. Hydrangeas make a lot of noise. They bark loud, you notice them. So there's a couple of hydrangeas sitting on top. Bury them in just a little bit. You don't want to look like Mickey Mouse ears. Look at that. Stock to use. This is white stock. Looks like a fat lilac. We'll put some stock in the upper deck. The lower deck. This is the deck nobody remembers, the lower deck. Everybody puts your flowers on top of the mountain. You got to bring that eye way down to here to have a pretty design. So upper deck, lower deck, put some way up in that penthouse area. And believe it or not, I'm almost done. I like it. I don't need to pack this thing with flowers. And wham, we just went $50 more for the centerpiece by adding 2 of these big white, gorgeous peonies. If you want flowers in bulk, you can order them from me. If you want individual classes you can order from me. If you want the whole series of classes, you can order them from me. And a little pink, blush pink. Look at that, kaboom. Isn't that pretty? I got it all. Classes, whatever you need. The point is I want everybody to design gorgeous flowers, but I also want your flowers to last you for 2 to 3 weeks and stop lasting for 5 days. Follow my tips, you'll discover them. Just hunt around, you'll see what I do with all my flowers. My flowers last 3 to 4 weeks in my house. If I baby them, I can get them to last longer. We'll put a little red in there since it's the holiday. It's a blush pink wedding on New Year's Eve. That's what I decided. Look, how long did this take me? 5 minutes.